are here at Marquee Mall. Oh, my wife is trying to steal my fries here. I gotta hold on to it. We're sitting down at Burger King. I just got my renewal, immigration renewal extended for 2 months. And today I also had to get what's called an iCard. So we just got that done, and we decided to hang out here in Marquee Mall a little bit and do some vlogging and a little bit of people watching. So stay with us today, and here comes my wife's food. So, what do you got? Alright. And I got me a Burger King. Burger King is my favorite fast food burger. Unless you get it in a mom and pop shop.
Oh, so hot. No. It's a big burger.
Yeah, well, there's no... Alright guys, we're just finishing up here at Burger King. My wife said your background is a little burger. It looks to me like it's a big one. Anyway, we're going to give you a little tour of Marquee Mall. Go around. There's a couple of floors here. Then we're going to walk outside in the back where they have a little park. Several restaurants. We'll give you a little tour around this area, and we go from there. That is, of course, if my wife gets done with her run, but I think she is about done here. So we're gonna head out. Alright, let's go and check out the second floor on Marquee Mall. We're just going to do a quick walk around and kind of show you what's going on in here and what kind of stores you can have and all that. So we're going to walk around a little bit. Alright, so back down here you have Savers Appliances. Come here. We have remodeled here and redone a few things since I was here last time. We are going to go and check out. It looks like a little food court in here. And this is new, right? Isn't it? I've never seen this before. It's like a little food court with a lot of different choices. Steak Street, Fusion Sushi, Kimbap, Turks. What else do we have in here? Rango, Vegas Barbecue, Lugaw Republic. Lugaw is Filipino stuff, right? The Lugaw Republic. Then you have, it's really nice in here. So what do we got back here? Halo Halo. Like a little Halo Halo stand back here. It's actually pretty, yeah, actually pretty nice. And tender juicy. That's some kind of hot dog, I guess. Pure Foods. Takoyaki. Sounds like Japanese to me. So there's quite a few things in here. Shabu, that looks pretty good too. What's that? Is it like Korean stuff? It looks good. It looks appetizing. And Wicked Oz. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I've never seen this before, have you? They gotta be pretty new. Well, I shouldn't say it gotta be pretty new. We haven't been here for...
No, this is the first time I saw it.
Right, but we haven't been here for a couple of years up here. Last time was
The last time I went there is my...
passport, right?
Yeah, passport.
Okay, so that's where, this is where you walk over to
The jeepney station.
Jeepney Station, and you have open space, so you can see down here. Downstairs there in the corner to the right, it looks like I see a Yellow Cab pizza. They've really changed this mall quite a bit. All right, so let's go. And over there on the other side, there's more and more food courts as well. So, yeah, Savers Mall, Savers Appliances, and we have some more food over there, back down in that corner, and then you have like kids hair salons. What is it? Toy store. And what is Blade? That's huh? Right. Over here we have toy stores, jewels, and a few other things here. Look at that, Krispy Kreme donuts. Krispy Kreme, that's an American franchise, isn't it? Wow, they also have a Subway now. I've never seen that one before either. They normally, in US, I love Subway. That's what I have in US all the time for lunch. Okay, so this is what's called the Metro department store, and oh, there you go. That's what I need. Huh? Yeah, let's walk through the department store a little bit. Just a few. Yeah. Well, we can do some window shopping. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's a nice table. That's like that's about $800 for this table and chairs. Which one? This one? Yeah, these are recliners in a sense. Recliners. Yeah. Yeah, they're probably, this one is probably more. This one is probably more. It's kind of the same model. It's interesting. It's just that we didn't pay premium price because we didn't buy it at the mall. We buy it at the mall, you pay double what. There's many furniture stores up in Angeles. Well worth. Air conditioners. Yeah. Yeah, maybe we should buy one of those and put it in the bedroom. They're fairly cheap. All right, so what do we got down here? Kitchen. All right. Line starts here. Oh, okay. Cash register. Rice cookers. You have microwaves. The microwaves are pretty cheap actually.
How much?
2539. It's like 80 bucks. $80. All right, and here we get into the electronics department, I guess. Alright. Washing machines, Filipina washers. Still walking in here a little bit. Luggage compartment. Travel bags, neck pillows. Yeah. Alright. Recognize this fan?
Asahi.
Right. This is same size, same everything that we had. It's just slightly different brand. In the mall, 1200. At the general merchandise store where I bought it, 600. So if you do price comparison, you can save a lot of money when you buy items and stuff. It's well worth.
Higher price in the mall.
Yeah, it's well worth spending the
But you
time.
can assure that the appliances you will buy is very good because there's a warranty.
Yeah, well, you get warranty in the other stores too, I think.
Yeah, it's only one of the.
That's another battery
Oh,
stand. That's double A right there. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, how much are they? What's the price on those? $139. You want it?
Yeah.
Okay. $139, huh? Double A batteries. Nope, we don't have.
Oh, sige. Tayo mo dyan. Sasayin natin.
All right, thank you. All right. All right, let's go back towards the entrance here.